Does it say how much damage? Okay, it is 60. It is indeed 60. Ah, my lord. Actually, no, keep back. That was like that's honestly clutch. Actually, hold on. Oh, it doesn't destroy all of them. Well, that's a low moment. Wow. The slow barrel stops the hammer. Who would ever thought? Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy, man. Crazy. Are people at the crane? That is my question. The answer could be no. Oh, people are fighting it. But where's the guy who's fighting it? Oh. Thank you, Green. Boo. No, you don't. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Greenie! Give me a go! I fucking miss. You fucking what? Oh, okay. Oh, I got no movement. I'm dead. Alright. Cool. Love it. Get that really quickly. Right, I don't like you lot, lads. I'm not a fan. Come here, you fucker. Yeah, that's what I thought, you bitch. Okay, I gotta keep the DMR. Oh, wait, not the DMR, the Mythic. What's open and what's not open? Okay, that's open. Good to know. Now, where's the weirdo with the helicopter? Me and him got beef. We got problems here. Yeah, no one better. That fucker. Where is he? Bruh. Do you hear me? Hello, you lab rat. Oh, that's sad. Oh, what a shame. What a shame indeed. Yeah, I don't care. I'm taking a DMR. Gonna make you guys hella mad, but I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Oh, and also, I don't care. I'm wasting this so no one else gets it. Is there a way for me to cheaply hide it? No? No? Alright. Am I being stupid of taking this over Mythic? Yes, but it's in my playstyle, yes. And honestly, it's better for no one else to have it in my eyes, so... Am I going to be that petty? Yes. You are spot on, right on the money, correct. Boing. Boing. One more boing for good luck. Boing. Hey guys, wait for me! Don't play without me! Fuck. Guys, finish your fights a bit more quicker than that, man. Alright. Drinking this so no one else has it. Oh, I messed up. Give me a second, sir. Thank you to be patient for me, sir. Oh, you know what a kind guy. So kind. Now, I had a feeling I'm not going to use this DMR pretty much. That's not it. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I would probably keep the Mythic if I didn't have 2 hammers, but I feel like I need 2 hammers. I'm not gonna lie, realistically they should nerf that. Ideally, just like the double Zapatron should not even be a thing. If you know how good the double Zapatron is. Oh, alright. I would like a Mythic thingy-mabob with all the over this, just because of the damage. Oh wait, is purple stronger than it? Ah, nah, keep this. Go Wiglet, or whatever the fuck your name is. Oh, come on. Oh, whoa, 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 wheelers all out of here. What the fuck? Bro. What, with a bug gang? Oh, okay. Why are you so mean? Oh, he got the fucking Mythic, of course. He actually bothered to go for it. He's not chasing me, alright? Guys! Oh, I'm gonna lose all of this healing already. No! 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 What? What is literally Fortnite players these days, man? I hit a blank. I don't want to talk about it. Right, 50, good. Right, you dead. Where's the other guy? Oh, I didn't. Christ. Bro. Stop. In the name of law. No fucking way. Oh, dick? Where? I'm not even going there. Oi! Don't hurt Jeff or Philippe or whatever his bloody name is. Oh, this fucker. You're a thorn at my backside. Yeah, fuck you. Give me that one. Yeah, you know what? Get danced on. Get danced on. Get danced on. Yeah. Pussy boy. Absolute git. Fucking strange individuals. I'm fucking slow in the head. Holy shit. He got out of the car and went into the big black car. Oh. But... Oh yeah, sorry man, I didn't even realise. Lol. No, don't be a bush guy, don't be a bush guy. No, put that down. Jimmy, Billy. Nice rocket, my guy. I see you. You're not slick. You're not slide. Right, sorry, I'm choosing this. No! Bro! Oh, fuck. Oh, thank you! Yeah. Everyone's just pick up. You remember when I said no? I hope no one picks up the Mythic AR. Now 2 people picked up my Mythic AR. Fun times, you know? haven't even used this DMR much. I mean, saying that, 53 tags to guarantee to get rid of overshield ain't bad, and a headshot is deadly, so not many people would like to stand out the thingy. Does decent damage to cars. Fuck up. Dude, what's your game? No. For fuck's sake. Where? Boy, do you mind? See, no one doesn't like a tag a 50. See? My mountain. My territory. I claim this land. I mark it as my own. Oh, there he is. 50. Hate wasting this, but gotta do what you gotta do. No. Pew. Have you got something very valuable for me, sir? Nay, you do not. I smell someone stepping on shit, and here he is. What happened? I shouldn't done that. Can I get on that? Oh, never mind. Oh. Oh, it's that guy. Of course. What the fuck? Don't be in the bush. 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 Oh. Whoa! No, don't. And he also picked up. Right. This is not great. This is really not great. Oh. Oh, alright, I thought, alright. Why did I do that? Bruh. Hi, Peely. How's your day? Don't shoot me, please. Why did I do that? My brain's all over the place. Playing fucking dominoes and a bunch of Jengas in my head. Hey, DMR for the win. Let's go. Wow, that is crazy, 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 crazy. Alright. GG's.